I have a new record. Let's open it. So it was record store day like last weekend, and I ordered everything I wanted online, so I only bought like 2 records. But this one I'm really excited for because it is a band I love. Okay, like I've been rocking with this band for years. And let me show you. I bought it back in 2017, and I've had her for this long. I've had this album for this long. Like, this is what it's looking like in 2024. I've had it for years. The CD and everything. Like, this CD, I love her. I love her, but they released a record store day exclusive on vinyl, so I am excited to open it. Okay. Take her out. Oh my gosh, I feel so surreal to have it on vinyl. And it comes with a sticker. I'm gonna put that on my water bottle or something. It's really cute, but here she is. I love it. Wow. Scared I wouldn't get this, but this is the pressing. It's a milky white. It's kind of opaque, so it's not all the way. It's not a full white color, but it's kind of like a cloud. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah. What the record said, a milky white. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the turntable.